Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Latest DIY for hair growth. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to use Clove water for massive hair growth. I've been losing a lot of hair, but since I've been using my Clove water, my hair has grown massive. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the subscribe button and the bell for more notification anytime I upload video.
While spices like cloves are beneficial for your health, they can also beautify you when used topically. You'll be amazed at how we can use cloves for hair care. A clove hair rinse is blessed with powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties that can help to get rid of dandruff and all the itching and dryness associated with it. Now, let's look at what it does to you when you use it on your hair. It promotes hair growth, it adds shine to your hair, it will treat any dandruff, it prevents premature graying for your hairline, it helps to curb hair loss, it cleans and soothes the scalp. The final word is clove have been the most powerful level of antioxidants and nutrients used in ancient Chinese and Indian medicine for ages. The immense benefits for your hair and general health. So all you will need is 2 cups of water inside your cooking bowl or a pot of your choice. Then 1 or 2 tablespoons of cloves. Put them inside. This is very easy and quicker to make.
Okay, now I'm done. Let me demonstrate to you how to use it on your hair scalp. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. It's not hard, it's easy. So all I'm doing is spray under my scalp and then I'm gonna give it a gentle massage. You know, massage also benefits your growth, hair to grow as soon as possible and quickly and faster. So massage is also part of hair growth of when you want to grow your natural hair. So as you can see, I'm massaging it. So you need to massage it 5 minutes. Take your time, and especially your edges. You see, I lose all my edges, but because I've been using these gloves, oh my goodness, my edges has grown and I'm so happy. So I encourage you to try. You never know, try, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I will see you again. This is Latest DIY for hair growth. God bless you. Bye.